Hello guys, welcome to MK Smart Creations YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how to install operating system in latest Raspberry Pi computer board. So let's get started. So guys, we have latest Raspberry Pi 4 computer board. It has a 64-bit quad-core Cortex A72 processor with 8 GB RAM. It has two micro HDMI ports for connecting external displays, and it has two ports of high-speed USB 3.0 and two ports of USB 2.0 and 1 gigabit Ethernet port. To power this Raspberry Pi, we need to use a USB Type-C cable. For power supply, it is recommended to use a 5V 3A adapter. There is also a micro SD card slot in this Raspberry Pi. A 16 or 32 GB SD card is used for installing operating system in Raspberry Pi. Here I am using a 32 GB SD card. We can easily insert or remove SD card from this slot. Now we are going to copy some files into this SD card for installing operating system in Raspberry Pi. We need a card reader for connecting SD card to laptop or desktop computer. Now keep this SD card into the card reader and insert into laptop or desktop computer. Now open browser and go to official website of Raspberry Pi. Click on computers and select software. Now scroll down and download this Raspberry Pi Imager software. Based on your operating system, select the particular option. My operating system is Windows, so I selected download for Windows. Now click this downloaded file and install the software. Launch the software and click on choose OS and click on Raspberry Pi OS Other. Now select Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit. A latest 64-bit operating system is suitable for Raspberry Pi 4 model computer board. Now choose storage and select SD card. Now click on write. Remember that the existing data present in SD card will be erased. Now the files have been copied into SD card successfully. Remove SD card from computer and insert into Raspberry Pi. Now it's time to power up Raspberry Pi and connect cables and other peripherals. Here I am using USB mouse for controlling Raspberry Pi. Connect one end of HDMI cable with Raspberry Pi and another end with the external monitor which supports HDMI. In this way we can easily install operating system in Raspberry Pi.